The trade in physical cocoa beans and primary cocoa products is based on contracts negotiated between buyers and sellers. Either party can initiate a contract, whose final details will be the object of a negotiation between them. As we will see later in this module, although there may be contractual agreements made within an origin country prior to shipment that are peculiar to that country's legislation, almost all physical cocoa traded on the international market is transacted according to the terms and conditions of two trade associations, namely the Federation of Cocoa Commerce, or FCC, which is based in London, and the Cocoa Merchants Association of America, or CMAA, which is based in New York. The rules and regulations of these two bodies include a wide range of definitions and clauses that cover most items inherent to a contract in the cocoa industry. Using these rules eliminates the needs for parties to negotiate the terms of a contract each time they conclude one. Not only does this avoid the endless repetition of the same contractual clauses, it also gives the parties the comfort of using tried and tested rules with an arbitration process at the end should any problem arise. However, we should note that parties are free to include additional conditions or to modify any of the standard clauses if they wish to, provided, of course, that both parties agree to such amendments. We should also mention that most reputable international cocoa trade houses, processors, and manufacturers who use these contract rules are a member of one or both of these two associations. As such, a good way for sellers to evaluate the seriousness of a buyer approaching them for the first time is to check whether they are a member of the FCC or the CMAA.